Do you know anything about the modern languages?
Sure. The modern languages you can learn in the Presentation College for your junior certificate are French and German. In learning a modern language, you will begin to understand what you read and hear, and to talk and write in the language.
What are the modern languages junior certificate exams like?
You will listen to and answer questions on conversations, news items in the language. You will read and answer questions on texts like advertisements, articles, recipes and celebrity profiles in the language. You will write texts like notes, cards and postcards in the language. You can take each exam at higher or at ordinary level. When the time comes to decide, your teacher will help you choose the level that suits you best.
How will a modern language be useful to me?
You will find modern languages useful in your personal life for traveling and in many careers including tourism, catering, education, business and translation services.
Will the modern languages be very different after the junior certificate?
By studying a modern language and leaving certificate, you will continue to build up your knowledge of your chosen language as well as the way of life of the people who speak it. It is important to study a modern language for junior certificate if you wish to continue studying it for the leaving certificate. Having a leaving certificate modern language is an entry requirement for many Irish universities.
Sounds great. Thanks.
You're welcome. This video was brought to you by the Guidance Department of the Presentation College Irving Rye.